There are probably a few websites you open every single time you sit down at your computer. Maybe it's your email, calendar, task manager, music player, or the website where you do most of your work. Instead of reopening those pages every day, you can pin them so they're always easy to find and take up very little space on your tab bar. In this video, I'll show you how to pin and unpin tabs in the DuckDuckGo browser. Let's get started. First, open the website you want to keep readily available. Now right-click its tab at the top of the browser. From the menu, choose Pin Tab. The tab will shrink to display only the site's icon and move to the beginning of your tab bar. Pin tabs stay separated from your regular browsing tabs, making your browser feel more organized and reducing the chance of accidentally closing an important page. They're especially useful for building productive habits. For example, you could pin your email, a notes app, your company dashboard, a language learning website, or your daily to-do list. Since those pages are always visible, they're much easier to access whenever you start your computer or begin working. If you ever want to return the tab to its normal state, simply right-click the Pin tab and select Unpin tab. The tab will immediately return to its original size and behave like any other tab. You can pin as many tabs as you need, so feel free to create a setup that matches your daily workflow without cluttering the rest of your browser. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to pin and unpin tabs in the DuckDuckGo browser. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.